Hello and welcome to CNCF Minutes. In this video, we'll be talking about Litmus. So Litmus is a chaos engineering tool for Kubernetes. It is a CNCF sandbox project. Now, what exactly is chaos engineering? It's basically for making Kubernetes much more resilient, for introducing faults and the failures and seeing how the Kubernetes will behave. Like if a node is not ready, if a kubelet stops, if we delete a pod, and so on. Now, Litmus is built on certain principles, which is the community contribution made easy. So it's easy to contribute your chaos experiments in the workflows. Scale for multi-cluster. So Litmus is using GitOps approach and it has integration with Argo. So observing chaos results. And the latest version of Litmus is 2.0, which is still in beta. And yes, it's open source. There's a chaos hub, which has all the chaos experiments and the chaos operator that is installed on the Kubernetes cluster for managing all your workflows. So the use cases are pretty straightforward. It's CI, CD pipelines in the workflows, automated testing, and you can have them at all stages of your developer workflow pipeline. Different components. So you have a Helm chart with which you can install the Litmus portal, and then you can have the public chaos hub or private chaos hub, depending on the requirement, which will having all the experiments. And this basically installs the Litmus portal, and then the Litmus portal will run the experiments and the workflows, and you can put all these configurations in the CD tools like Argo, Flux, etc. On a very high level, this is the architecture. So the Litmus portal will be able to run your chaos workflows on a set targets. Targets can be any, your local clusters or cloud. So that's where it is kind of a multi-cloud environment. And then all your results can be sent to Prometheus and can be visualized as well. The scaling is achieved by integrating it with Argo workflow. So this is what we do. So we write a chaos workflow, or we create a chaos workflow, and then the chaos engine is there. Then the operator picks the chaos engine and runs on a specific target, and the results and the metrics are sent to Prometheus. So this is a complete workflow. Now let's see this in action. So I already have Litmus 2.0 beta installed. You can do a lot of things. First is workflows. So you can create a workflow. So going to schedule a workflow, you can select a particular target. You can then choose a particular workflow, existing one. You can create your own workflow from the chaos hubs, public or private, and then you can select a particular experiment. So as of now, there are around 47 experiments already there in the chaos hub. You can go in the my hubs and see the chaos hub is there. You can connect your own hub, have a public or private. You can invite a team member. You can specify the targets, and here's the analytics where you can add a dashboard, add a data source as Prometheus, and then add a dashboards. And once a workflow is scheduled, so this is a custom workflow just for pod deletion, and you can see the steps that has been performed for this particular workflow. And you can also see the chaos result. The phase is completed. So you can schedule the workflows and run it across the clusters. So that's on a high level what Litmus offers and how it works. A very good UI, and 2.0 brings a lot more features to it. So that's it for this particular video. Like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.